Ever wondered how to create or edit user profiles in Salesforce the right way? Whether you're setting up your organization for the first time or fine-tuning access for your team, mastering profiles is one of the most important skills for any Salesforce admin. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to create and edit a user profile in Salesforce quickly, efficiently, and correctly, so you can manage permissions like a pro. Let's get started. First, log in to your Salesforce account. This is your main hub for managing users, settings, and configurations. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your dashboard and click on the gear icon. That's your shortcut to the settings panel. From there, choose Setup or Advanced Setup to open the full admin console. Now, on the left side of the setup interface, you'll find a quick find box. This is your best friend when navigating Salesforce. Type in profiles and hit enter. Click on profiles from the search results, and here's something important to remember. In Salesforce, you can't create a brand new profile completely from scratch. Instead, Salesforce uses a cloning method. This helps maintain consistency and saves time. So, to create a new profile, find an existing one that's similar to what you want. For example, the standard user or system administrator profile, and click clone. Next, you'll be prompted to name your new profile. Give it a clear, descriptive name that matches its purpose, like Sales Team Profile or Marketing Read Only. Once you've done that, click Save. Now your new profile is ready, but it's still using the default settings from the original one. To customize it, open your new profile and click Edit. Here, you can adjust permissions, object access, app visibility, and other settings to match your organization's structure. Be careful with permissions. They control exactly what your users can see, do, and modify inside Salesforce. Double check everything before saving your changes. Once you're confident, click Save again to apply your updates. And if you ever need to edit an existing profile, it's just as easy. Go back to Setup Arrow Profiles, click on the profile you want to change, and make your edits directly within its settings page. Remember to save every time you make changes to ensure everything is updated. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and edit user profiles in Salesforce, one of the key steps in keeping your data secure and your team productive. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Salesforce tutorials and admin tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.